What's up, y'all? Welcome if you're new, welcome back if you're not, to another day of Vlogmas. Listen, y'all are gonna have to excuse my voice. I got a little tickle in my throat. I ain't really feeling too well. And yeah, I knew it was immediately time to whip up some immunity shots. And instead of paying $4 or $5 for 1 ounce, y'all, I just make them myself. And I figured, why not show you guys how I do it? I'm gonna have all of the ingredients that I use listed in the description box below, so don't worry. And come on, y'all, let's go.
If I'm with two of them, then it's a threesome. If she alone, you know she a freak one. If it's an escort, it's a police one. King of the hill, you know it's a steep one. If we together, you know it's a brief one. Back in the ocean, you go, it's a deep one. Forgave niggas and they feelings. Lucky for y'all, we don't do civilians. You say I changed, I say that I million.
Alright, so as you guys can see, I'm just grating the turmeric root. And yes, FYI, if you don't know, turmeric does stain. It's literally just like curry. So if that's something that's a problem for you, I would definitely wear gloves. I be cooking all the time, so it don't bother me.
Everything is put to rest, and everybody takes a breath, and everything gets addressed. It's you alone with your regrets. All that pumping up your chest, all that talk about the bless. You know how sticky it gets. Kept the galleria open till 10 for you and your friends. You know how I spend in HOUSTON. I get too crazy, had a little badina. We stay good friends, we get too crazy. All I know is that when this cup ends, the next one.
Alright, so before y'all come for me, let me just let it be known. If you don't know, I am black, I am Hispanic, I am Caribbean. So I do not measure, alright y'all? I really don't. I literally just go until I feel my ancestors tell me stop. So y'all gonna see some measurements on the screen, but y'all gonna see the ish, because if you would have asked me how much I put, I could say about 2 tablespoons ish. Alright?
Got a little candy in her pocket. She gon' take off like a. You already know. Dirtied up a couple on the north side. Text you, but I know you probably cross-side. Know I gotta come and check the whole man, baby. Hold tight. Touch the city with the G-block stainers, and we got adopted by some fifth-ward strangers. You know what it means when I twist these fingers. Me and you in on a first-name basis. Why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit? Same reason that you never left me hanging.
Alright y'all, so the first 2 pills y'all saw me drop in was the zinc and vitamin C. Now for the vitamin A and D3, those are liquid capsules. So what you see me doing is just using a knife to pop it and squeeze it all out.
how sticky it get, ayy. You know how sticky it get, ayy. You know how sticky it get, ayy. You know how sticky it get, ayy. She want me to play with that cat, ayy. She love how I'm making her wet, ayy. You know how sticky it get, ayy. Hey yo, Eric, bring them girls to the stage, cause somebody's getting paid. And free big slime out the cage. Shorty tried to play it cool, but now she wish she would've stayed. Cause every song that I made was ringing like I got engaged. All my guys I wouldn't trade. From the cradle to the grave. Porto got me on a wave. And got me on a wave. Couple hits, now you brave. Wait, you niggas better behave. All that pumping up your chest. All that talk about the best. You know how sticky it. Yeah. If I'm with two of them, then it's a threesome. If she alone, you know she a freak one. If it's an escort, it's a police one. King of the hill, you know it's a steep one. If we together, you know it's a brief one. Back in the ocean, you go, it's a deep one. Forgave niggas and they feelings. Lucky for y'all, we don't do civilians. You say I changed, I say that I million. I did. The toughest actor follows back on tour. Off-road, Maybach, Pyrex, Trap, Virgil came back through the boy. Damn. That's something to me. Niggas really had their back turned to me. I ain't talking my assistant when I say niggas down to pack something for me. Then they thought they had a trap set for me.
And there you have it. I'm all done. Some people use a cheesecloth to kind of strain all the pulp out. I personally keep the pulp in, so I feel like it makes it more potent and it just does what it needs to do a little bit better. And there you have it. All natural, homemade, immune boosting shot. And I just take 2 shots a day, once in the morning and once at night. Peace. See y'all tomorrow.
Hey yo, Eric, bring them girls to the stage, cause somebody's getting paid.